Medical notes this week. Does chronic depression run in the family? Researchers aren't sure why some people have brief episodes while others experience years-long depression. However, new research published in JAMA Network uses a novel MRI technique that could help find some answers. The imaging measured a patient's lifetime accumulation of neuromelanin, which can help them estimate the same levels of dopamine. It reveals that low neuromelanin is related to chronic depression. Young women with brief periods of depression showed normal levels of neuromelanin. Will we ever truly get rid of forever chemicals? These synthetic chemicals are in cooking pans, waterproof clothing, and food packaging. They're hard to remove and destroy once they're in the environment, and our current removal technology is slow and inefficient. Thankfully, a new innovation published in Advanced Materials removes large amounts of forever chemicals from water within minutes, about 100 times faster than commercial filters. Have you taken a deep breath today? Research in the journal Science Advances reveals that sighing can help your lungs work better. The lung's surface is covered in a fluid that reduces surface tension, making them more flexible. It consists of several layers, and a deep sigh is needed from time to time to restore the fluid's correct layering and improve breathing. And finally, a new understanding of video game addiction. New research in JAMA Network Open counters the common belief that video game design is to blame for teen addiction. Researchers discovered that kids who showed depressive symptoms and social issues were more likely to have addicted gaming behaviors. This work reveals an underlying issue that could help guide better treatment strategies. And that's Medical Notes this week. I'm Mayan Vosta Betancourt.